with your extensive experience in the finite element analysis, what are the key technical skills that industries like aerospace and automotive are looking for in engineers today?
Thank you for the question and thanks for inviting me here. And a lot of things have already been addressed by my co-panelist and by the panel which was here earlier. In terms of technical skills, first and foremost you have to understand you should never be leaving the fundamentals back. We have a lot of interviews where interviewee, he just says that, oh, this I had studied in third year and I don't remember right now. Somebody said, right, you have invested 4 years in your engineering or whatever domain you are a part of, and you have learned something out of it. Those learning should not drain out as you progress. So fundamentals are very, very, very important. That is your base, your foundation. Second thing that will be important is fundamentals, whatever you learn in your colleges are theory. But when you actually join any organization, there is a lot of practical aspect involved. The organization is looking for you to solve problems. That's why they have recruited you. How are you using your fundamentals to solve the real challenges, the problems that an organization is facing? So how do you apply your knowledge is the second step, and that is very important. Third skill from a technical perspective is domain knowledge. Now I might be a mechanical engineer. A mechanical engineer working in an oil rig, a mechanical engineering working in a manufacturing plant, a mechanical engineering working in an aerospace design team, a mechanical engineer working in hydraulic industry as an R&D engineer. All of these engineers will have a different set of domain knowledge, which we call as a tricks of trade. As a part of that organization or that domain, how fast you are learning the domain knowledge, that is very important. So these are the traditional skill sets, but as we talked about, there are some emerging skill sets, right? Data sciences, electrification of vehicles and stuff like that. One thing which is very important for all of us, whether you are from engineering background or any other, even from HR background, a lot of them talked about is your ability to learn new things. Your learning agility is what we call in our organization, or flexibility to learn new things. As a mechanical engineer, now I am facing with a lot of mechatronics problem. So I need to learn those skills. As a mechanical engineer, I am also learning how to handle data. There is a lot of data getting generated. How efficiently can I use that data to make the decisions? So you have to be open to new learnings that is being offered because of a lot of changes in the technology. And as somebody from the past panel said, these are all tools. As an engineer or as a professional, you are unique. You should be just able to know how to use the tool. So these are just the tools. You are the ones who are going to make the decision using those tools. That you should be able to do.